Here's the gun, magazines, the wonderful Remington UMC ammo that I'll warm up with, and I've got a target set up at 25 yards since I haven't shot this pistol in 2 weeks. There's a BHC target.
Ready on the firing line.
Okay, one bad shot.
Ready on the firing line.
Little right. Okay, I think those were good. Those are good. I knew I had a couple a little right, but so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a 96 2X. So I knew I had that one to the right. I think we'll leave the sight like it is for now and just try it again.
Ready on the firing line.
Oh, there's a little left. A little low. I think I had 2 that were a little low, 1 left.
Ready on the firing line.
Left. Good. Good. A little low. Okay, let's go look at that. Okay, that's another good target. 1, 2, 3. So that's a 97. 1, 2, 3. 97 3X, I think. The P10F is going to be a Bullseye gun. That's good. Now it looks like I really do need to go left just slightly, so that's what we'll do on the next target. Okay, this is target 4 after moving 4 clicks left on the burst fast fire, and we're going to see if we can't do a little better, although that last target, target 3, was really good.
Ready on the firing line.
Oops, high left. One bad shot.
Ready on the firing line.
A little low right. Good. Okay, let's go look. I think that was good. Looks like that one's probably a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 96 2X. So that's good.